Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen zoom in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display. And here select screen zoom, and here if you would like to increase screen zoom, just move this point to right side. Okay, see here, this is very large size. Okay, so screen is zoomed. Okay, for example, if you are messaging from WhatsApp messenger or Facebook messengers or any other messenger, just you can get a big screen like this. Okay, that is called screen zoom, and text size will be increased. Okay, if you are using zoom. Okay, if you would like to decrease screen zoom, you got to use this button, that is left side button. Yes, this is small size. Okay, if you would like to keep in default screen text size, just keep it in second point. Okay, so in this way you can easily increase or decrease screen zoom, that is screen text size in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.